It get bigger and bigger.
It looks like, yeah, it looks like it's gonna burst.
Should I pop it or not? Or just let it go?
Just get in
How
I don't even know what it is. I don't. Is it just?
have we ruined it?
Ruined what? The omelette?
The potential omelette.
Funny shape.
It looks so weird.
Go on.
How did a fly get in
Eh.
there? We never have like the windows open or anything. Is that your omelette?
My little omelette.
Why is it so...
So little.
Right, we're gonna have to pop it because it's not gonna get any bigger, I'm afraid.
No! Joking. Joking, pop it.
You're being serious. Because it's gonna burn otherwise.
Yeah, it's fine.
Did it spin out? How's it apart?
Oh, well, that's boring.